All right, let's talk about star binding right here. Okay, so let's say we have gotten a paragraph. I'll probably make this a paragraph and tutorials.com. All right, so let's say we have gotten a paragraph. Let's run it and see if this actually works. Boom, gotten tutorials.com. So let's say we want to change the color of it dynamically. Okay, let's say we want to change the color of it dynamically. One we can use it is to use star bounding. Okay, star bounding. So let's go to our app component.ts, and this is what I want to show you. Let's tap color type, then assign the value of type of any to it, and let's actually do is to do it's a boolean, so we just say is a true to it, right? So what we want to do is what I want to do here is if this property right here, if it is true, then I want to change the color of this text here to blue. But if it is false, then I want to change the color here to what? Red, dynamically. So let's go to app.component.ts, and what you can do is to use square bracket to do star dot color right? So simple. So use the star sign. Alright, so I probably have to write it before I can explain so that I can get a catch. Alright, so copy this, copy the property you want to use. I don't want to type. Then let's see, use the then let's see blue. If not true, I want to change it to red. There you go. Alright, so let's check it out, and I will probably explain this, don't worry. Alright, so you see I've gotten blue right here. The color is changed to blue. Let's go back and change the property right here into false. Great. Alright, so you see I've gotten what? tutorialscamp dot what com. Okay, what do I actually want to do is what do I actually let's trigger a button, right? Okay, let me explain this first, what it means. Let me explain first. Alright, so you see we have gotten a property which is called color type, which is we have signed any variable to it, and any actually means what? It can take any data type, right? So and the value I've signed to it was false, right? So let's go to app component.ts and let's see what we can do with it. So we have gotten our paragraph tag right here, and inside we have a text of tutorialscamp.com, and what we want to do is based on the value assigned to this property called color type right here, we want to change the color of what this text element based on the value assigned to this type here. So what we are doing right now here is we are binding this property into the star elements right here. So what we do, we use opening square bracket and closing square bracket, and we use the star type, right? HTML star type. What I'm talking about is nothing but this. Right, wait up this here. What I'm talking about is this, right? You see, in plain HTML, whatever, you may do something like star dot. Oh no, you may do something like star, right? And say color red, right? Great. And check this out. You can see the color will be what? Red right here, right? But what if you want to change the color dynamically based on certain things? So what we are doing is we use this star property right there, So if I've used the star property right there, what key or value, what do you want the element right here to do? What we want to do is we want to change the color right here. So use the star property and the function, or what you want the paragraph to do. You assign that that selector, that key to it. In CSS we have key value variable, key value element, right? That's how we code in CSS, where we got the color to be the key, and then the color either red or blue to be the value. So you assign the key here, and then you add what the value right here. But here we have what, a question mark. The question mark here actually become what, an if statement. It becomes an if statement, because what we are doing right now is we are saying this property, right, that we have appended to this. What the question mark says that, okay, I've gotten this property, but hey, before you go ahead and then use the value inside here, do this, check this condition first. So this condition is going to check only true or false, or false value. So if the condition, if this thing is true, it's going to take the first property right, the first value right here, which is blue. So if the property here is false, then it's gonna take the second what element, the value right here. So that's why we have gotten color what type, right, color red, right? So it's pretty simple. And the dynamical way we can change this color is, let's actually trigger some button, so that whenever we click on that button, it will change the color over there, right? So what you do is button on, okay, I've not probably not talk of I'll not talk of event binding. Alright, so let me talk of event binding, because you might get confused before I show you this hack. Right, so that's star binding for you. See you in the next video. I'll talk of event binding and show you a proper way of doing color binding. Alright, so see you in the video. Have a nice day.